For ʻāina now is urging legislators to fund environmental stewardship this session. And joining us now, we have Carmela Razuma with information on how the community can get involved. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rachel.
Yes. Okay, let's talk about this. Care for ʻāina Now. Tell everybody what that is and how we as the community can help.
So Care for ʻāina Now is a coalition of many nonprofits and government agencies across Hawaii working towards advancing these bills to make sure that we can get an environmental stewardship fee passed. Maybe we can increase the transient accommodation tax, and all of that funding going to ʻāina-based organizations and conservation efforts.
Okay, so I mean, getting the public to know what's going on is number one,
Yes.
and then of course urging legislators. At this point, what can we do as a community to get involved? What are some ways that we can support the cause?
So Care for ʻāina Now, our Instagram, social media, and website has all the information, but really calling your legislators, making sure that folks know that this is something we support and we want to be part of it, and we want to advance this legislation so that we can get more funding into environmental organizations and go outside and help serve your environment and serve the organizations as well.
Absolutely. Now, you're with Kilohana by CNHA.
Correct.
Tell me a little bit about your experience, your personal connection to ʻāina.
I love that question because it is the way I ground myself. I was just talking to another person presenting, and that's how we kind of find space and refill our cup. But with CNHA, we have lots of projects that occur in the community. We partner with hundreds of organizations to facilitate funding, going to ʻāina-based organizations, going to efforts that preserve and protect Native Hawaiian culture. And so it is through these efforts that really are important to preserve and protect our environment and all that we do.
Okay, and when it comes to reaching out to those who we want to get the word to, whether it is the legislators in your district and whatnot, how can we get that word out to them? Is there a website that you suggest where you can find out who it is that you need to get in contact with?
I would suggest going to Care for ʻāina Now or the Hawaii Capitol website and calling your local legislator and just leaving a simple message about how you support this legislation, how you want to support these efforts so that we can get more funding into our communities for this important conservation work.
Very cool. All right. Well, if people wanted to learn more about what you folks are doing, and if they want to learn ways that they can get involved, where would they go? Do you have a website?
Yes, Care for ʻāina Now, and we're also on all the social media channels as well.
Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me today. And go and contact the legislators. That's what was the important message from here today. So thank you so much for joining us. We'll also have all the information on HiNowDaily.com. Kainoa, we are going to send things right back to you.